Hey everybody, it's Kurosh here. Today I'm going to talk about a really simple game, rock, paper, scissors. This game looks really simple, but when you dig inside it and you'll understand how difficult and complicated it is. Alright, so first I created a player input for asking the user what's their name. Then we have three more buttons on here which are hidden because I don't want the player know these buttons before writing his or her name. And at the end we have the result which is not hidden, and as soon as you click one of the buttons you will see the result. And two more buttons remaining: restart with the same player and restart with a different player name. Alright, so let's go to the code. As you can see here, I just use TM Pro and Unity Engine.ui because I want to add them in my game, and I use their library. And as you can see here, I got two public things which are not button. First of all, the first one is like an input field and ask the player the input. The second one is the only the text which I assigned it to result. And as you can see here, there are all buttons: rock, scissors, paper, restart P, and restart D. Alright, so when the game starts and you run the game, you will have the player.onSubmit@listener_p name. It means that they're gonna ask you what's the name, and as soon as you write your name, it will automatically takes you on this method. This method will active the rock, scissor, and paper buttons, and also will active the result when you press one of the buttons. Because when you press rock button, it comes back here and execute the rock P method. The rock P method is actually means that the player choose rock, and it will see whether the computer guesses. Well, I use random function here, and the range is from 0 to 3. The 3 is not included. So if you press rock and the computer generates a number from 0 to 3 and it is 0, the game will be a tie or draw because they are the same thing. And if it is executing 1, it will be scissors, so you will win. And if it executes the paper, you will lose, unfortunately. And after these bunch of codes are executed, we will go to restart P and restart D. And actually these things will be activated on the screen and you can see them. So the restart player with restart with the same name, restart with a different name. Anyhow, the scissor P and the paper P methods are kind of same to the first method, which was rock P. The difference is the numbers here in if statements, because the computer may generate another number and it will change the game results. Anyway, when we put rock, paper, or scissor, and we see our result, the result will come with two other options, two other buttons, better to say: restart player and restart with different name. Alright, so when you press restart same player, it will come here. It still has rock, paper, and scissor, but the result will be gone and will be vanished, and we will wait for your result. We will wait for you to put the things that you want. And also restart with different and restart with the same player will be false too, because they are not shown. And if you restart it with a different name, however, the player input will be empty, and also the result will be empty. Let's just run the game and understand it better. Alright, so the first name that I want to write right now is Tom. When you click Tom, you will see three buttons, and when I press paper, it will be draw. It means the computer choose paper. Alright, let's do restart with the same player. It's Tom. These two buttons are gone, and also the result. Rock. CPU won, you've lost, unfortunately. Alright, let's do restart with a different name. For example, Kurosh right now. Alright, you say scissor, it's a tie. And that's it for today. Thank you, enjoy.